Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to reduce investment noise with American Express detailed guide step by step clearly. Reducing investment noise can lead to smarter financial decisions. American Express offers valuable resources to help in this process. Start by visiting the American Express website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Investor Services section. Here, you will find tools designed to help manage your investments effectively. Explore the available market insights and research reports. These documents can provide clarity on economic trends and potential investment opportunities. Make use of the personalized financial planning tools offered. These tools can help you define your investment goals clearly. Consider setting up alerts for significant market changes. This can keep you informed without overwhelming you with information. Utilize the budgeting and expense tracking features. Understanding your spending patterns can reduce anxiety about investments. Review your investment portfolio regularly using the dashboard. This allows you to focus on your long-term goals rather than daily market fluctuations. Engage with financial education resources provided by American Express. Webinars and articles can deepen your understanding of the financial landscape. If needed, consult with a financial advisor through the service. Professional guidance can help refine your investment strategy. Lastly, limit your information sources to reputable sites. This helps filter out distractions and reduces investment noise. By following these steps, you can enhance your investment approach using American Express. Stay focused, stay informed, and make confident financial decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.